Google Cloud's BigTable are one of the coolest features when it comes to data storage. Google's BigTable enables you to hold vast amounts of transactional and analytical information as part of your data workflow. Recently, Google has announced a BigTable change streams. Change streams capture and output mutations made to BigTables in real time. You can access the streams via the data API, and you can also use data flow connector, which is the recommended way. Data flow connector offers an abstraction over the chain stream data API and the complexity of processing partitions using the Apache Beam SDK. Data flow is a managed service that will provision and manage resources and assist with the scalability and reliability of streams data processing. There are a lot of architectures which you can do with this new change stream. As I mentioned earlier, change streams enable you to track changes to data in real time and enables you to react quickly. You can more easily automate tasks such as data enrichment with AI by using this new functionality. Now, for example, in this diagram, which you can see on your screen, this API for AI is one manifestation where AI is rapidly growing when it comes to development and adding value to your application data. There are various APIs for audio, images, translation, and more that can enhance data for your customers. Bigtable Chain Stream gives a clear path to enrich new data as it is added. In this example, you can see that they are transcribing and summarizing voice messages by using pre-built model available in Vertex AI. You can use Bigtable to store the raw data or raw audio file in bytes and then a new message is added. AI audio processing is kicked off via chain streams. A data flow pipeline will use the search API to get a transcription of the message and Palm API to summarize that transcription. These can be written to Bigtable for access by the users to get the message their preferred method. In the next video, I'm going to practically show you how you can do that in Google Cloud. I will also drop the link to this diagram and the blog which Google has recently published. I hope that you found it exciting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.